Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the rainbow pet chart in Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the rainbow pet chart looks like, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the item from the Beanstalk update, but they added this item to this Christmas update, so I'm very happy to have this rainbow pet chart. So guys, in this update, you can unlock this item from the advanced calendar event in Grow a Garden, and it's on the day 17. And actually, I missed the a day, but I can recover it with my token. I use my token to claim this reward because the reward is so crazy, guys. We will get the Christmas crate and the rainbow pet chart and also the winter egg, 5 winter eggs. So yeah, I spend my tokens to claim this reward. And I'm going to apply this pet chart to one of my pets in my garden. Okay, let's apply to the penguin. Okay, I think it has been applied to the penguin. As you can see that the penguin has turned into blue. And I'm going to view the penguin. Okay, provides a bigger increase to the pet's passive. Okay guys, and that's how we can get and use the rainbow pet chart. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!